Understanding, push someone away, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, push someone away. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English language learners, so let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned to understand how this phrase can add nuance to your English conversations. Push someone away can be understood in two ways, literal and figurative. Literal meaning: this is the physical action of pushing someone with your hands or body to create distance. For example, he pushed his brother away during the game. Figurative meaning: more commonly, this phrase is used figuratively. It means to emotionally distance oneself from others, often due to fear, mistrust, or personal issues. For instance, after the argument, she started to push her friends away. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversations and writings. 1. Relationships. Since he was afraid of getting hurt, he tended to push people away rather than getting close to them. 2. Friendships. She didn't mean to push her friends away. It was just her way of dealing with stress. 3. Workplace scenarios. Feeling overwhelmed by the workload, John started pushing his colleagues away, refusing their help. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts, helping you grasp its versatility. Not to be confused with physical action. Remember, when used figuratively, it's about emotional distance, not physical. Context matters. Always consider the context. The same phrase can have different implications depending on the situation. Understanding how to use push someone away in various tenses is crucial. Here's how it changes. Present tense: he pushes his friends away. Past tense: she pushed her family away last year. Future tense: they will push anyone away who tries to help them. That's a wrap on the phrase, push someone away. Remember, it's a versatile idiom that adds depth to your communication, particularly in expressing emotional states and relationships. We hope this video helps you use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.